If you are just starting out online and you just want to make your first dollar, or if you've been online and you need a side hustle that you can do that can make you money over the time, and also maybe you are just starting out and you want to scale up yourself, you want to learn a digital skill, you want to buy a gadget, but you don't know how you can make money to give you that particular freedom to achieve that particular dream of yours, right? Now, the very first thing you need to do is to start something little that you can make money with, and you can use it to buy gadgets and even learn a skill to scale up yourself in the online space. So in this video today, we are going to leverage on survey website that you can use to make money in the online space. And I promise you, if you follow this video from now to the very end, I can show you how you can make your first $100 to $200 with survey website. Because I'm not going to show you one website that you can do this on, and I'm not going to show you two. I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can leverage on right now, and you can take survey and you can make money for yourself in the online space. This requires no skills, no attention. All you need to get started is your smartphone, and I bet you have a smartphone because this one that you are using to watching me right now is what you can use to make this money for yourself, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to follow this video from now to the very end so I can show you all of these 3 websites, and I can bet it with you the 3rd website is the best of all on this list. And even I have an offer for you at the end of this video that's going to teach you how you can scale up yourself doing this particular survey in the online space. And with that being said, guys, let's get down to this, and I will show you how everything works and how you can get started right now immediately after watching this video, right? If I come over right here to my screen, the very first website is 5surveys.com. All right, so the very first thing that you want to understand is what is survey. Okay, so we want to make money with survey, but the very first thing you need to understand is what is survey. Survey is like you sharing your personal opinion and your personal interest about particular thing that they give you to test out, or they want to hear you speak about, and they pay you for that thing. So it's just something simple like, okay, fine, I put out a survey now. How has been your experience watching my videos on this channel? And I pay you for that. That's a paid survey. And that's what you are going to do on all of these 3 websites to make money for yourself, to get started and kickstart your online journey, right? So I just want to hope you understand the illustration now. So let's get on screen while we continue this. Now, if you come over to 5survey.com, and you can see right here, now the very first hack that you are going to use on all of these 3 websites is that you are going to make sure your account was set up in Europe, especially UK. So this is going to enable you to make more money on this particular platform, right? So it's just something simple. All you need to do is to add Windscribe like this to your Chrome, then you can connect it to London, Crumpet as you like, or any other Europe country, but I recommend UK. So once you connect it to UK like this, all you need to do is to just reload this, and you can see my language is in UK. That means I'm in UK, and you can see right here, tired of completing surveys for a penny, complete 5 survey and £5. It's easy, no minimum payout and instant withdrawal. So this website is going to pay you for each 5 survey. They are going to be paying you £1 for each survey, and you don't have any minimum payout. You can withdraw at any time and you get your money straight in your PayPal account. If you don't know how to get a PayPal account, hold on and watch this video. I will show you how you can create PayPal account at the end of this video. All right, so all you need to do now is to click on sign up right there, and you can see how everything works. You can see sign up for free. It's a free account, and you can take survey and earn points. So it's your point that you are going to redeem, and you are going to use it for cash, gift card, or exciting prices. And you can see there are tons of FAQ right here. How do I get started? Simply sign up and start taking survey. It's something simple and something you can do basically from anywhere with just your smartphone that you are using to watch me right now. And you see, how much can I earn for completing surveys? You earn £5 for every 5 surveys you complete. All right, so how and when can I cash out my earnings? You can cash out your balance anytime via PayPal, bank transfer, or by choosing from hundreds of different gift cards. All right, so you can use anyone that's best applicable to you, and you can use this to withdraw your money right now. Okay, and you can see this screenshot showing right there. These are some of my students earnings that I've showed this website to, and they've been using it to make money. And you too, you can start that now, and you can sign up on your account. Now, if you want to sign up on this website, they are going to ask you for a phone number that you are going to use to sign up on this platform, because you know you claim to be in the United Kingdom, and how can you get a UK phone number? Right, so the sponsor of this video is XeroSMS, and XeroSMS is a platform where you can get a fully functional virtual phone number from any country for any online service to verify your identity. Right, all you need to do to get phone number to verify this account is to come over to XeroSMS.com. Once you come over to XeroSMS.com like this, you are going to click on sign up right here, and you are going to fill in your full name, your email address, password, and confirm password. Okay, now if you For me, I'm just going to go back right here and I'm going to sign it to my account. So I'm just going to sign it right there and I'm just going to click remember me and sign it. As you can see, this is my balance and you can see welcome Black Auxiliary Academy. Now, assuming we want to verify this particular platform, all we need to do now is to first add balance to our XeroSMS, and you can click paste tag as recommended. So you can put $2 right here. You click on add balance and you can see right here it's going to redirect you to a payment page where you can pay that $2 in Naira. You are not going to need any dollar card. You are not paying in USDT. You are paying with your Naira card, and even you can pay with bank transfer. All right, let's just pass through this check so I can show you how this works seamlessly, and it's something you can do for yourself still on your smartphone. All right, so now as you can see, verification successful, and it's going to redirect me to a page where I'm going to pay XeroSMS the $2, and you can see I'm paying 3,300, and you can see right here you can pay with transfer, you can pay with your bank, and you can pay with USSD and every other things that you can pay with. And once you are done, it's going to take you back to your dashboard where you are going to have your balance ready to use. Okay, so I'm just going to log in again and I'm just going to sign in right there so I can show you how to get phone number now. So right here, all you need to do is to come over to SMS service right here, and you are going to scroll over right here. You see your service right here. So you are going to put 5 survey right here, as you can see right now. So you are going to select the country, which is UK, and you can see it right there. You can purchase this and you can use it for your verification. It's something simple. And by the way, XeroSMS still further sponsor this video that I should organize a webinar for you guys on how to make money on surveys like this. And if you want to participate in that class, you can find the link to join the community in the description below of this video. So inside this webinar is where I'm going to break down every of these websites. I'm going to sign up, show you how to scale up your earnings and how you can make up to £30 every day on all of these platforms. So I will urge you now to seek this opportunity that XeroSMS have bring to you to join this WhatsApp group where we share more light about this survey website that can help you make money that you can use to get started and make big money for yourself in the online space. So if all of that being said, guys, let's get to the second website that you can make money on. All right, so if I come over right here, this is myeo.com. All you need to do is to come over to myeo.com, and by the way, all the links to this website you will find it in the description below, and you can click that and it's going to take you straight right there. But if you want to learn how to double your income on all of these survey websites, join the community where XeroSMS has sponsored a webinar for you to walk you through all of these websites, from how to make money, how to scale up, how to withdraw, and every other things that you need to know about all of these websites. All right, now if you come over to myeo.com right here, all you need to do is to start now, and you can sign up your account. And if you want to verify your account on this, I think these people only accept email, they don't ask for phone number. So this is one place you can even get started now and you can learn more for yourself, right? You are going to take more surveys and you are going to make money for yourself right now. And the next one that I'm going to talk about that I said is the best on this list is IPOS. All right, you can see right now this is like market research company that has been in existence since 1975, and you can easily join them and make money for yourself. You can see sign up for free, join our global trusted community, and tell us a bit about yourself in your IPOS profile. Then share your opinion and get rewarded. It's just something simple. And if you want to verify your account and you come over right here to XeroSMS again, it's still the same process, and you're going to put IPOS. All right, you can see all right, then you are going to select the country, which is UK again, and it's going to load the available number for you, which you can purchase right now, and you can make this money for yourself. So all of these 3 websites is website that you can start on now and make money for yourself. But I will advise you to use the first link in the description below to join the WhatsApp community, where I will be sharing deep insights about all of these 3 websites and how you can get started even as a broke beginner, how you can make money immediately you are signing up your account, right? This is a fully packed knowledge for you for free. XeroSMS are completely payments, and you just need to learn and make money for yourself. All right, by the way, all of these websites pay through PayPal, right? And you know, right here in Nigeria, there is no how you can create a fully verified PayPal account that can help you receive funds in the other country or anywhere. In the Nigeria, PayPal can only send funds but cannot receive funds. But I've prepared a fully packed knowledge on how you can create a working verified PayPal account right here in Nigeria, which you can get access to with the link in the description below. In this course, I share with you how to create PayPal accounts in up to 20 different countries, how to verify your identity, how to lift limits in case PayPal block your account, how to undo limitation, how to withdraw from your PayPal account to your local bank account right here in Nigeria at the current exchange rate of dollar or pounds. All right, so you can get that course in the description below. You can find the link to get paper course. The course was up for 50,000 naira, but for the sake of this offer and for the sake of the offer that I'm still running on this channel, anybody that's still getting access to the course right now is going to pay 30,000 naira to get access to the paper course. And this is not even enough. Inside the course again, I still share with you how you can turn this paper into a business, how you can set it up for people and charge them, how you can become an exchanger, that you can help people withdraw their earnings in the online space. And even if that's what you can start now, you will meet a lot of people in this community where you are going to learn how to make money through surveys. And why about you just list out yourself to them and help them withdraw, and you make some money for yourself in addition, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and don't forget to use XeroSMS for all your online verification, including Fiverr, WhatsApp, and any online service that might require you to use any international phone number. XeroSMS offer the same service and is working perfectly at any time, any day. All right, so if that all being said, guys, I will see you in the WhatsApp webinar, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, stay at peace, and I will see you in the next one.